Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles. Today we got something we ain't hook out in so long. I forgot we even owned it. The X4. She's ready to go. We're gonna go play in some mud. She hasn't been out since July. It's November now, guys. She needs some love. So we pump the tires up. We let her warm up. She's ready to go and pump through these mud holes. I don't normally take her through the mud too much if you're new to this channel because she's my baby. She's my ride around gal. She does have outlaws because at the time I phoned them on for some reason, and then I sold the vehicle that the stock tires are on, and I've never been able to get them back. So it has outlaws. So she's ready for the mud. So we're gonna go through the mud. We're gonna be tearing it up. We might do some outside views. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I will see y'all in a second with the GoPro on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to go. Let's put on 4-wheel drive. Let's play in some mud. This girl has not been out in so long. Let's hope we don't break anything. I've already broke the 500 today. I sunk it. If you've probably already seen that video because it's gonna come out before this one. Oh crap. I don't remember what being. Oh crap, oh crap. Well, that was the, I don't know what happened. And yeet. Yeet and delete. Well, there's the problem. It's full of water. Woo! Anyways, we're hoping that we don't sink or destroy this thing because she's a little bit more important to me. Plus, this thing costs a whole lot more to fix. This stuff just looks juicy today. Ooh, wow. My wife's gonna kill me if I get stuck, so everybody pray for me. Whoa! Oh! Let's do this again. I need to clear all this out. Let's knock this over. Whoa! We're leaning to the side. Woo! Woohoo! I like it. I like it a lot. This old girl can't be stopped. Except by trees. She does not like trees. I don't know why I keep doing this. I'm going to get stuck if I keep pushing my luck. Come on, baby. Woo! This thing is just bad. I love this old 850 parallel twin is bad to the bone. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, baby. We're going up the road. I love it. Let's go here a little bit. Everybody always talks crap about these Wolverines, and I don't know why. This thing is like bad to the bone to me. I do not get why people don't like them. That snake, probably. Oh, now my feet are wet. Woohoo! Gonna get my feet wet over here. They're my brand new boots too. Oh, oh, oh. Oh crap, that's deeper than. Woo! Yeah, baby. This Wolverine just loves it. Oh. We'll go through here one more time. Ugh. Gross. Oh my, oh! Woo! Ow, ow, that hurt. I just saw something flop. Ooh, let's go. Oh, I hit bottom. Oh crap. Boop. Oh, we're coming crossways. Oh crap, come on, come on, come on. You're not getting stuck today, baby. Woo! Okay, we better stop for now. That was close. Well, at least I gave the four-wheeler something to play in now. Woo! You know what, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm feeling lucky. Let's try to go through this hole right here. Y'all saw the 500 last time when it tried to go through here. It didn't make it. Like, it didn't even get close. Let's see if the Wolverine can make it. I think it can. If we get stuck, we're pretty screwed though. Tony looking bad for the Wolverine. Come on, baby. Come on. Hold to it. Oh, tree. Whoa, that was close. I didn't see that thing. Here it is. This is when it starts getting deep. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, almost there. Whoa, yeah. I think we're gonna call it there. That was pretty terrible. My poor rims. No, my shiny rims. Wow. Look how thick that got all at once. Like, holy moly. I'm sorry, baby. I know you didn't like that. Holy. I did not realize it was that bad. Like, that literally, I don't know. I don't know what to say on that one. Wow. Just look how much gunk is on this thing. Holy smoly. Woo! Oh, we found a stick. That's a good way to break an axle. Oh man! You just gotta love the V twin power or parallel twin, whatever, same thing. Let's push through the woods now, guys, and see what we can find. Oh, wow, this must spend a lot of time today washing this bad boy. Oh, I think this is it. And I got another piece of. Look at the mud that just keeps flying down my back from behind me. Oh crap. Over the river and through the woods, to grandma's house we go. Man, I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready for Christmas. I know Thanksgiving ain't here yet, but I'm just ready for Christmas. I love the music and the movies. Oh crap. Oh no. That was close. Oh, we could bounce over it or I can go around it. I think I'm gonna go around it. I don't feel like bouncing today. So the question of the day is, oh, what the? Oh, that probably messed up that tile. Oh, dang it. Anyway, so the question of the day is, what do y'all think? What is your favorite four-wheeler? Like, what's your favorite exact four-wheeler? Not brand. I don't want to go Honda, Yamaha, Can-Am. I want to know what your favorite exact model is. Or the one you want the most, maybe. It's up to you which one you go with. Okay, we're pushing through. And please, if you wouldn't mind, leave a like on this video. I feel like a lot of people don't like it. I mean, they say they like it, but they don't leave likes. You gotta leave a like, guys. It helps the videos, I guess, to more people, so YouTube knows the algorithm and all that crap. I don't know. Pushing through the wall. Oh, hello, hello. There's that tree that fell down the other week. So we gotta cut through here now. Hello. Boop, boop. Can you tell this is one reason why I bought this big heavy bump on this thing, so I can just push right through this stuff. Woo! Problem is it does not quite make this turn that I cut out. Definitely gonna have to make a new turn. Coming through, BB. Oh, ow. That was, oh crap. Ooh, what was that? That hit hard. Let's hope we didn't mess anything up. I hit with some force on that side. Well, I don't see anything broken. I see a lot of mud on this side. Look at the mud. Boop. Ooh, that radiator is not looking happy. Ugh. Oh, grossy. Grossy. Look, guys, I forgot to show y'all. We have the field back again. We finally picked the beans so we can drive through it again. There's the old sunken 500. I drained all the water out, but I ain't drained the oil. I really need to get to that, but it'll be fine. She's gonna smoke. It won't be the end of the world. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This thing did bad to the bone. I'm trying to get out of this wind, but it's hard right now. It's blowing. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out this other Wolverine video and the Wolverine playlist. And I will see y'all on the next one. Please make sure you like this video because I don't think enough people are liking it. I'll see y'all on the next one.